Let's do a few DIYs using this wine glass. I'm going to put some pearls inside, and then I took these flowers from outside. I'm going to place it on top, and then I'm going to take one of these, a small glass, and place it inside. It's going to hold it with a little branch. Then I'm going to take my candle and put it inside, and that's it. For the next DIY, just put your wine glass upside down, put some hot glue, and attach your flower just like that. Then I'm going to take one of these little round glass and attach it to the top as well. Then make sure to put some water and a floating candle. Then I put some pearls inside. Then for the next one, I'm going to use the same glass and pearls, but I took this little candle holder. I'm going to place some hot glue at the bottom part and place it on top. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and take some flowers and put some hot glue and attach it all the way around the candle holder. Place your candle inside. Let's not forget to put water inside before you attach the whole thing. For the next DIY, grab some flour, place it inside, put it upside down, and then take your hot glue and place some hot glue on top, and then put a glass on top, one of those little base on top. Then place some flour, and you're gonna fill it up with flowers. Then put some water, and then go ahead and put more flour, and then just press it down until you continue pressing it down and filling it up with flour until it does the whole thing, and then just add up more water to it. Then after that, you're gonna place your candle on top. And let me show you all the ideas now. So this one is the first DIY, super cute, simple to do, that you guys can do any color, and I think it will look great on any party decorations or wedding decor. For the next one, this one is the round one with the pearls inside, which looks amazing. I think this is something so simple as well, and it also turns out super cute. And as you can see, the flower, you could put off the round floral foam if you don't have these type of flowers, and then put flower all around it, and then you could put the glass on top. That's another idea, you guys. I'm giving you different ideas of how you can accomplish this look, because I think it looks so elegant and it's so inexpensive to do. So now for the next idea was this one, the long one, which I think it also came out super cute as well. Also, as you can see, as the pearl, you could also put some flower inside if you don't want the pearls, or you could also put some marble, like a different color marble. I think it would look great as well. Or you could put a tea light if you want a light in the inside of the cup as well. And this is how cute, you guys. I think it came out super cute and it came out super elegant. Now for the next one, this one, I think it's just so beautiful. As you can see, this is the one with a flower inside. I think it looks beautiful. You could put different colors as well, and I think it will look great. I did it with the flower at the bottom, on top of the in the middle of the cup, but you could also do it without it, just like this, and I think it's not as cute as well as the other ones. Please let me know down below which one is your favorite, which one you guys recommend, or which one you would do. Let's not forget to share this video so other people can see all these amazing DIY, and hit the like button. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.